Morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. At Electrical 111. MCQ, Short Question and Answer. Part 01 Video. Mostly important MCQ, Frequently Asked Questions Electrical Exam. Discuss. 25 plus MCQ. 1. The resistance of a straight conductor is independent of cross-section area. 2. Conductivity is the reciprocal of resistance. 3. Ampere hour is the unit of quantity of electricity and battery. 4. In street lighting, lamps are connected in parallel. 5. Fuse wire rating is given by ampere. 6. The least expensive internal wiring system is concealed wiring. 7. A piece of aluminium wire is stretched to reduce its diameter to half of its original value. Its resistance will become 16 times. 8. Potential difference has the unit of volt. 9. As per CEA registration, what tests are required for insulation? Leakage test, short circuit test and open circuit test. 10. Why earthing is done? Or, earthing is done for to save human life from shock, to maintain constant line voltage and to protect large building from atmospheric lightning. 11. Standard value of single-phase AC supply voltage for domestic installations in India is 250 V, 240 V, 230 V, 220 volts. 230 volt. 12. In case of DC machine, the armature is laminated to decrease eddy current loss. 13. In a DC motor, the function of commutator is to change AC to DC. 14. Normally a DC series motor is started at load. 15. Which of the following does not give DC output? DC generator, transformer, rectifier, dry cell. Transformers. 16. The current in armature conductor of a DC machine is AC current. 17. The armature of a DC machine is made of silicon steel. 18. In a DC machine, the number of commutator segment is equal to number of coil OR slots. 19. A triplex wave winding will have parallel paths. 6 parallel paths. 20. To reverse the direction of rotation of three-phase squirrel cage induction motor, what should be done? By interchanging any two-phase connection. 21. In ceiling fans, generally used motor is single-phase induction motor. 22. Say, the power factor of a load is reduced and voltage of supply is remaining same. What may happen of the following? Current drawn from supply will increase. 23. The purpose of starting winding in a single-phase induction motor is to produce rotating flux in conjunction with main winding. 24. High-speed alternator air driven by steam turbines. 25. Two identical three-phase alternator are to be operated in parallel. Which condition is to be fulfilled? Same phase sequence, same voltage, same frequency and same vector impedance. 26. The best suited motor to drive 1/4 HP fan in a hospital ward would be motor. Capacitor run motor. 27. The best suited motor to drive 3/4 HP air compressor would be motor. Capacitor start. Notes.